Hi, my name is Chandler Smith, Marketing Coordinator with Precision Measurement Engineering, and in my hands is the PME miniDOT. Capable of measuring both dissolved oxygen and temperature, these have been deployed all over the world on every continent and 75% of oceans and seas, helping researchers like you better understand our most important resource, water. Let's take a closer look at the miniDOT and better understand its basic operations and how it can be paired with anti-fouling options for longer deployments. Looking at the miniDOT, we can see two main pieces: the pressure case with an anchor point at the top, and the sensor cap with the sensor face visible from the bottom. Here we can see 6 screws holding the inner chassis to the sensor cap, which will be further explained later when the anti-fouling options are discussed. To access the miniDOT, firmly grip the sensor cap at the base and twist the pressure case counterclockwise until the two pieces are free from each other. It's that simple. Once the pressure case is removed, the chassis is exposed that houses the micro USB insert, an LED light, the recording switch, as well as important information for your personal miniDOT. Mounted on the back of the chassis is a battery bank consisting of 2 field replaceable batteries. To activate the miniDOT and begin recording, flip the switch at the top of the chassis from halt to record, and you will notice the LED flashes 3 times, indicating that the device is operational. Now let's take a look into the 2 different anti-fouling options we have available for the miniDOT. We have the copper plate, as well as the copper mesh. And for this demonstration, we're going to focus on the copper mesh. To start off, you'll want to remove 3 of the 6 screws holding the chassis to the sensing cap in an alternating fashion, as you see I have already done before. Then you'll want to align a nylon ring to the sensing face that align with the holes. After which, you'll grab your copper mesh and place it on top, making sure that the notches on the side, once again, align with the holes that you have made. And lastly, rather than using the screws that you pulled out, we're going to focus on using the 3 Phillips pan head screws that are provided with the kit. I'm going to go ahead and put these on now. And with the last screw in place, you have your copper mesh installed, allowing you for longer deployments. Now we'll move on to the copper plate form of anti-fouling. To start off, we'll make sure we take off 3 of the 6 screws in an alternating fashion. Now that we have our alternating screws removed, I want you to take a look at the center of the miniDOT and notice that the sensing face itself is a bit off-centered. Because of that, the hole on the copper plate is also off-centered. Before driving the screws, make sure that these 2 holes are properly aligned. Now that the copper plate has been properly aligned, I can identify which holes need to be filled. Making sure to use the Phillips pan head screws instead of the original screws that you pulled out initially. And you can begin screwing them in. And with that final screw, your copper plate is properly installed and ready to help your miniDOT go for longer deployments. Thanks so much guys for watching the video. I hope you guys learned a little bit extra about the miniDOT and its anti-fouling options. To learn more, check out our website right now at www.pme.com or check out our social media by clicking the links down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.